j'ai vu une espèce d'ombre au-dessus de ma tête. Et c'était pas un ombre comme d'habitude, franchement, je pensais que c'était un poisson. Et tu vois, loin de là de voir un jet ski passer au-dessus de ma tête. Ah, c'est qu'un jet et c'est que du matériel. Et le matériel pourra toujours se remplacer, mais un être humain, c'est pas remplaçable, quoi.
Last Sunday was the big day, and she got up early and went down there, drove the ski over, dropped it off. Raimana had his boat, and he's driving the boat. I'm like, what do you want me to do? He's like, I'll drive the ski. I'm like, okay, I can drive it out there. Drove it out there. He's like, okay, put the rope on. I'm like, okay, slap the rope on. He's like, okay, let's go. I'm like, I don't know how to drive. He's like, you can do it. I'm like, okay, I'll try. Then we went out. I towed him into like 5 or 6 waves, and then I don't know. I was trying to tow him in better each wave, but that one I looked back real quick to make sure I was doing it right, or his positioning, when I should have been looking forward the whole time. And you know how Teahupoo kind of bends like that, and there's a little chop on top. And then it turned into the wave, so I was just like, had the glide already. I know some people say I should have gassed it and turned real quick, but I'm not sure. I thought the back might have spun around, so I just rode it for a little ways, hoping that it would let me out, but it didn't let me out.
À cet instant, quand le jet ski est passé au-dessus de moi, je me suis dit, et le chauffeur, qu'est-ce qu'il fait? Il est parti avec et tout. Et à ce moment-là, j'avais plus peur pour lui que pour moi, quoi.